Stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
So I've just come to Ikea and the queue is really long, and they said there's a 2-hour wait, was it?
2 hours.
So
are your things worth that much?
yes, my things are worth it. I'm gonna have to wait.
So we had a very unsuccessful shopping trip to Ikea today, and we've come back home. The queues were just horrendous. There was over a 2-hour wait, and I can't see myself going again and waiting even an hour. It's just, no, that's not happening. So I need some stuff. Aisha wants a drawer, and my sister, she wants dressing table. I was thinking it's a desk or a dressing table, one of the two. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a joint order in together, and then we'll get it delivered. And one of the things I hate is paying for delivery, but there's a few things, and it's furniture as well, and they're gonna deliver it to the door, so I don't mind. I'm just thinking, do you know what, might as well. It takes all the hassle and the aggro out of going and queuing and getting all flustered and bothered. So far we have this chest of 6 drawers which Aisha wants, and in Amina's room there's already a wardrobe and she's missing some drawers from it. Well, she's not missing some drawers, but we thought we'd add a couple of extra drawers into it, so I need to put that to 2 and update it. So that's our shopping basket so far. I'm not going to check out yet. I need to continue shopping, and there's a few other things. Okay then, Ikea. Okay then, no Ikea delivery.
Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going back to Ikea. As the first day it opened, we went and it was honestly so packed. We went at 10 AM in the morning. It was 10:11ish, and the queue was literally going from the entrance all the way down to around a mini car park, down the stairs to the lower floor of the car park, and it was going on forever. It was a 2-hour wait, and there was no way that me and the family were going to wait that long. But we're going to go today, and hopefully it's not that much of a big queue and we can actually go in and choose what I need, because this Ikea trip is something I've been wanting to do for such a long time now. So hopefully today is a successful trip and it does go to a plan, and we do actually come out the store buying something that I actually needed. So that is the drawer that we want. I just want to say we got to Ikea at a very good time. It wasn't that crowded, as we waited in the queue less than probably around 5 to 10 minutes, which wasn't too bad, but it did get busy minutes later behind us. So when you do go to the store, be prepared that you might have to wait, and do check the live Ikea tracker to see when it is busy. Now this Malm chest of 6 drawers in white is exactly what I wanted. It is £99 and it is very wide and in depth, which is very good because I can put products inside either standing up or just put a ton of products inside. And I will be getting the storage boxes inside too, as they are very good for organisation and they fit perfectly inside. she was saying for Yana to get 6 drawers instead of a wardrobe because upstairs is better.
And ask your co-workers and keep 2 meters apart.
So we got to the aisle where the drawers were that we wanted to buy, and when we looked there was one box. I was very shocked and everything else looked as if they were sold out. However, if my mother wasn't there observing, thankfully there was more in the next column. A quick heads up for anyone who is going to go Ikea anytime soon. If you are going to come, please do bring an umbrella because this UK weather is awful and you will 100% get drenched in that rain. The first thing I did when I got home was I had to build the drawer. It was very heavy, but luckily I am a strong, independent woman. Joking, I had to ask my dad for some help. Now let's get ready to put some drawers in.
Look. Yes.
Oh, not that dumb. You're proud of me.
That's the difference with IKEA quality.
So here's the finished result, and I'm too tired to throw everything in at the moment, so I think that is tomorrow's job, just to get this finished and organised, because that is my room at the moment. That is my room. And in my sister's room I've just got loads of clothes lying about. This is too big to fit on top of my wardrobe, so I need to return these two. I just need to find an exact measurement. I need to measure an exact measurement where I can put at least up to 3 boxes or storage boxes, so I can put all these little scattered clutter in it. I honestly hate clutter, and this is the reason why I'm trying to, as much as I can, buy some storage boxes, put them in and organise everything. So until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. So the next morning I thought I'd start the day off with a lovely nice walk, and I ended up going to town, and it was very quiet and peaceful. Then I walked to Greenhead Park, and the park was quite busy, but everyone was keeping their distance, having their fun on their jogs, walks and any activity they can do. And then I got home and started the day off with some rice cakes. So welcome back to another morning. Windy, dull, raining day outside. I am now going to organise my drawers and hopefully, fingers crossed, it all goes to plan. I am here with a notebook because I'm going to plan out what I want to put in them. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do, but when I do put everything in the drawers, my products and clothing, I might have a rough idea, but this will help me out. I have got these Skubb organised boxes which I do use all the time, and I will show you a clip of how my other drawers were and how I use them for my makeup. These Skubb boxes organisers are honestly the best, and it keeps everything in place, and I do not just use them for makeup, I use them for my clothes too, which I'll show you very soon. And these come in a set of 6. Mind that mess, how can you be clean with makeup? And Ikea are very, very clever, as the whole 6 boxes can fit into one drawer perfectly, which is a very, very good thing because everything can keep organised. Maybe this time I can keep my room clean and my drawers clean, but knowing me, that will not work. But we'll see how it goes. Right, so now that I have done a rough plan, I'm just thinking to myself that this may not work. So let's start doing it because it's not going to happen on its own. So now I am just opening the packets of the Skubb boxes that I bought in a set of 6 in white. A lot of YouTubers and people I know do use this a lot, and I was suggested them a year ago and have always been using them since. I'm just rearranging them in different positions just to show you that you can put boxes within boxes and arrange them in any way you like. Firstly, I clean the inside of my drawer. Then I folded my jeans in a way that they can be picked up easily from the wardrobe and that I am not making a mess. I started off by putting my blue wash jeans in, then white and black, and making sure that the most worn jeans were at the front so it's easy for me to pick out. Then I used the storage boxes and put my leggings inside as they don't take that much room up. I also did this for my gym leggings, and then finally put my joggers in. I have gone through so many hoodie scenarios of whether to fold them or hang them up. They do take quite a lot of room up, and for the time being I will have to fold it up and see how this goes for now, but I don't think it will last that long. Next to the hoodies, I'm going to fold up my sweatshirts as they can go together. Then I started to colour coordinate my clothes in my wardrobe, and whilst I was hanging them up, as you can see at the start, it did look aesthetically pleasing. I did love the whites and beiges and pinks and creams, and I think that's the kind of colour scheme next year I'm going to go for. As you can tell, I still always do need a bit of black in my wardrobe. Well, not a bit, a lot. I would have another drawer to keep my swimsuit separate, my shorts, my plain tops, tights and socks. And this is how I present my pyjamas, so they're easy to pick out and put back in. Here I'm just cleaning my Morphe palettes and placing them inside the box. If you do know any good quality palette containers I can get online, then please do let me know in the comments below. Then I started to organise my makeup drawer, and for time being I've just left it as it is and just rearranging them to see how everything can fit. And as you can see, I have got some boxes which I haven't used just yet, and I have many more products to put inside. I just remembered my mother bought me a candle from Home Bargains and the scent is lovely, so I had to light it up. Now in my top drawer I will put my hair products, so anything to do with my hair, including straighteners, curlers, hairspray, hairbrushes, bobbles, clips, hair oil. My next drawer will be full of my everyday products, and as you could tell I have a lot of cream for my eczema, and I will have my contacts in there, my bath products, face masks, face creams, body oil, body lotions, and perfumes and body sprays and wipes. Now this is the end of today's vlog, and I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please subscribe, like and share, and do tap the notification bell to keep notified when our next post is. Bye!